Come on along. Got to do some maintenance here. I'm talking to the camera. In the winter I gotta bypass the cooler, otherwise it'll freeze up. I gotta hook it back up now right direct to the pump on this Trailblazer. What the hell are them guys doing over there? Still got air in there? Maybe you're out of fuel.
I think it's milk in there.
It's what?
Chocolate milk.
Chocolate milk? Anyway, so yeah, I gotta bypass this in the winter time and then it freezes, otherwise it freezes up, and now it's freezing up. It's got so much moisture coming out of it, I need to come up with a new idea to get the moisture out of this damn system. It's the only drawback to this. Crack the bleeders, boys. Huh? I won't worry about it. There she goes. I gotta keep the boys working, you know. Anyways, yeah, this is the outlet of the compressor. Every spring I gotta do this. Route it through the cooler, and then it'll come out here into my system. There's a water trap here, but it ain't near big enough. I'd gladly pay if them guys would put that on there right from the factory with a good air dryer. So, here's my typical, I can't find what the hell I did with it. Do you guys think that old age has something to do with me losing shit?
Losing shit?
Losing my shit, yeah.
That's got everything to do with it.
Everything? Okay. Little Teflon and taper. And I'm not a fan of JIC with steel on steel in the air system. I just brushed off all the rust. I'm talking to myself again, boys. You're used to that though, aren't you? It's the size I already got out, Mike. What did you do with it? Make sure it's topped off with hydraulic oil too. I know, I thought I heard you say that. But remember, I'm old and I can't hear. Because you guys keep telling me that.
What?
Huh? Yeah? No. It was a Wade trick. Ooh. Aerosol anti-seize. Shoe polish, look. It's like Cheese Whiz. There it comes. Look at, that's like Cheese Whiz. Put a little bit in there. On that fitting. Really? Yeah. That's rusted right tight. That hurt my feelings. Look at the water come out of that son of a bitch. Holy shit. There, she's freed up. I think we gotta put a little more on her. And that's it. This one will go back up into the, up there. There, I got her. Oh, shit. I need a new O-ring. Son of a bitch. Son of a bitch. Yeah, I gotta go to work. Find me a new O-ring for that. See ya. Yeah, I found I screwed up last year. The O-ring was bad. Took it apart. There's a spitter with a needle in there. Looks like you manually gotta do it. See if I can do it right this year. That ain't right. To hook it up and see. What? What? I think I got her. That spitter was plugged on the bottom there. Perfect. A little rust. I wonder where that comes from. So in a second here, hang on. I don't want you to walk too far away because I want you to. I gotta check this seal. I'm gonna hook up this hose. I'm gonna fire the compressor up and turn it on, would you? Because that felt too loose for that other O-ring. I might be wrong. It might be the thicker one. Oh, hang on, stop. Don't do anything. Hold it. I forgot some stuff here. She's not too smart. Hold it. He says hold it.
Pull. Starter?
Contact.
No.
No?
No, I gotta put this little filter in here.
You don't need that filter.
See, that might be that O-ring looked like it was. Alright, try that. We'll see if she's leaks. You got a tiny orifice?
What? I like tiny orifices.
That should be it. For maintenance. For summer. There's a fan-driven air cooler in there. Not a dryer, just a cooler. Electric fan up here. Dryer. We'll see how she works.